क्रांती हा माणसाचा अधिकार आहे. क्रांती हा माणसाचा अधिकार आहे, परंतु स्वातंत्र्य हा माणसाचा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार आहे. रिव्होल्यूशन इज अन इनएलिएनेबल राइट ऑफ मॅनकाइंड, बट फ्रीडम इज अन इम्पेरिसेबल बर्थराइट ऑफ ऑल. This sentence told by Shahid Bhagat Singh. Good morning everyone. I am Aditya Kumbare, studying in 11th in Rashtramatha Jijau Defence Academy, Chinchwad. Today I feel so honored to speak about a brave son of India, Shahid Bhagat Singh, a name that still fills our heart with pride, courage and inspiration. Bhagat Singh was born on 20th September 1907 in a small village of India called Bangma in Punjab. Bhagat Singh, from childhood, Bhagat Singh was deeply influenced by the freedom struggle going on in our country. Unlike other young people of his age, he had only one dream: to see India free from British slavery. Bhagat Singh was not just revolutionary but a true thinker at a very young age. He understands that freedom doesn't come by asking for it. It comes by fighting for it. And his famous slogan was "Inqilab Zindabad." Inqilab Zindabad had become a war cry of Indian freedom struggle. Bhagat Singh was bold and fearless, but he deeply hurt by the Jallianwala Bagh massacre and the death of Lala Lajpat Rai, which made him to take strong action against the British government. And he told that अभी तक जिसका खून नहीं खोला वो खून नहीं वो पानी है, अभी तक जिसका खून नहीं खोला वो खून नहीं वो पानी है, जो ना आए जिसके काम वो बेकार जवानी है, वो बेकार जवानी है. Along with his comrades, he threw a bomb on the Central Legislative Assembly to not to harm anyone, but to wake up sleeping government. After this incident, he did not run away. He gave himself up to show the world he was not a criminal, he was a freedom fighter. In jail, he demanded equal treatment for Indian prisoners. For that, he went on 116 days of hunger strike. Just imagine the courage and strength he took. In this period, he wrote articles, read books, and kept fighting inside the jails. On 23rd March 1931, he hanged by the British government with his two brave comrades, Sukhdev and Rajguru. As a student of Rashtramatha Jijau Defence Academy, I salute Bhagat Singh and promise to follow the patriotism, courage and discipline that he lived and died for. And told that सच्चे थे वो सपूत भारत माँ के, सच्चे थे वो सपूत भारत माँ के, जो अपना सुख दुख सब भूल गए. तोड़ने को भारत माँ की बेड़िया, तोड़ने को भारत माँ की बेड़िया, हंसते हंसते फांसी पर झूल गए, हंसते हंसते फांसी पर झूल गए. जय हिंद, जय भारत.